everyone, my name is Joe, embryologist from Repro Life, Tokyo, Japan. Today I'd like to explain you about our cryo-tech method protocol. First of all, please prepare these solutions and display it at room temperature at least 1 hour before your vitrification. Because chemical reaction really depends on the temperature, so please keep it. Room temperature means between from 25 degree to 27 degree. This is our vitrification plate. Here's a little slit, so you can open it like this. When you prepare the wells, please mix these bios just once. Just once is enough. Please aspirate one time and expel it. And now you see the bubbles coming. And aspirate again, so we can avoid a bubble inside of the tip. Even we do like this, sometimes a bubble will come in on the surface. Before you put your outside to ES solution, please remember the original size, like that. Because once we put our outside to ES solution, the outside will start shrink immediately and sink down to the bottom. So it's really important to know how the original size or original appearance beforehand. Please remember it. Please remember the ratio of pavite line space and zona pellucida, or what color was it, or the shape, or something else. Then place it on the surface of the ES region. Then start your timer. So once you put your outside onto the surface of ES solution, please check your outside and please confirm if it's start shrink or not. So now the outside is sink to the bottom and it shows it's shrinking. And after 90 seconds, so 1.5 minutes, we will observe the outside again. And the outside will show you the maximum shrinkage. Maximum shrinkage means it becomes smallest. And we can divide the outside into 3 types, like rank A to rank C. Okay. Now it's 90 seconds. It seems almost rounded, but small edges like this. It seems like a square or something. As I said, we can divide the outside into 3 types, rank A to rank C. Rank A is keep rounded, so it's totally rounded and the cell membrane is really smooth. And rank B is almost rounded but have small edges like this. So sometimes it seems triangle or square. So that outside was rank B, I guess. And rank C is like this. It's really ugly and many edges. We have the maximum time. The maximum time for the equilibration should be 15 minutes for outside and blastocyst, and 12 minutes for cleavage stage embryos. While we're waiting for the equilibration, we have to prepare 2 things. One thing is cryo-tech, this one. And another thing is cooling rack, liquid nitrogen. But liquid nitrogen is really strong, it's really cold. So if you prepare the liquid nitrogen too early, the liquid nitrogen can decrease the temperature. So please prepare this one just before the next step. This straw is individual packed, so every straw is really safe and clean. Please cut off this side, cover cap side, not this side. We have the special holder for the cryo-tech like this. And this is too short and this is too long. This position is suitable. Cryo-tech C is on the edge. After you confirm full recovery of your oocyte or past the maximum time, we will go on to the next step. And please place it on the middle depth of VS1 solution. Middle depth means not the bottom or not surface, and maybe little bit left side or right side is better. And the outside will be still surrounded by ES solution because we pick up the ES solution a little bit more. So, and the ES solution is lighter than BS solution. So the outside will float up immediately. Focus on your surface, and the outside is now fold up to the surface. From this step, we don't need a timer. Please wash your pipette with fresh VS1. And pick up your outside at the tip of your pipette. This time, we don't need extra solution anymore because we will pick up the outside and move it from VS to BS, so we don't need anymore. Then, place it on the bottom of same wheel. And pick up the outside again at the tip of the pipette because we will move our outside from BS to BS, same solution, so we don't need extra solution anymore. And place it on the middle depth and the center of the BS2 solution. Then, please check if your outside is shrinking again or not. After confirming the shrinking, wash your pipette again. And pick up your outside. And go on to the rolling part. Please make droplets until you can see your outside inside of any droplets. So if you see your outside on the first droplet, you don't need any other droplet. And it's really important. Please do not minimize your droplet. Minimize means aspirate extra solution around the outside. If you do it, the surface tension will crush your outside. And this height of droplet is really important to protect our outside from surface tension. So please make suitable droplets for the outside. Your outside inside of any droplets, please pick up quickly and sink down to liquid nitrogen and shake it like this. Shaking straw, the Cloudtech, is really important because, for example, if I sink my hand into liquid nitrogen, it's totally safe. Because when I sink my hand in liquid nitrogen become bubble and cover my hand like gloves. So my hand did not touch the liquid nitrogen directly. So same thing will happen on the Cloudic. So we have to avoid a bubble like this to raise the cooling rate. And finally, please pick a cover cap. This side, not here. Here is little fragile in liquid nitrogen, so pick up as close as possible to black mark. And please sink down it and wait for the 15 seconds. Because this cover cap is still warm, so we have to wait for its cool down. Please enjoy the handle survival and our easy and simple protocol. Thank you.